Every color and shape on the road has a special meaning. In this video, you will learn essential traffic signs clearly and simply. Let's start. Stop and give way. Give way to traffic on major roads. Give priority to vehicles from the opposite direction. No entry for vehicular traffic. Maximum speed. National speed limit applies. Minimum speed. End of minimum speed. Entry to 20 mile per hour zone. End of 20 mile per hour zone. No waiting. No stopping, clear way. No overtaking. School crossing patrol. No right turn. No left turn. No U-turns. Ahead only. Turn left ahead. Turn left. Keep left. Vehicles may pass either side to reach the same destination. Mini roundabout. One-way traffic. One-way traffic. No motor vehicles. No cycling. No vehicles except bicycles being pushed. No buses. No towed caravans. No goods vehicles over maximum gross weight zone except for loading and unloading. No vehicles over height zone. No vehicles over width zone. No vehicles or combination of vehicles over length zone. No vehicles carrying explosives. Trams only. Most circular signs with a red border tell you something you must not do, while blue circular signs usually give mandatory instructions that you must follow. Recognizing this pattern can help you understand many road signs quickly and correctly. Learning these signs is essential not only for passing your theory test but also for becoming a responsible and safe driver. Always pay attention to road signs, follow their instructions carefully, and adjust your driving accordingly. Subscribe for more informative videos, like, share, and comment.